Hey, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and I am super excited to be trying out the Halo from Amazon. As you all have seen on my channel, I have been working out consistently in the gym for the past like 4 or 5 months now. I'm also a professional dancer, so I have a pretty active lifestyle, and I've always kind of wanted to track and see what I'm doing and what kind of effect it has on my body. I have never had any other tracking thing other than on my phone where it tracks the steps. I never used to be into that, and then when I started walking around a lot in the city, I was like, wait a second, I'm actually doing something with this. So when I saw Halo and I saw how affordable it was, I was like, I want to get that. I got mine for $79.99. You get a 12-month membership included as well, which is awesome. So a year of change, a year of being able to track my sleep, my workouts, my heart rates. I actually just got home from a workout. I had a ballet class. It would have been dope to try this in class first, but it didn't arrive in time, but that's okay. I'll be taking class next week. Let's unbox this beauty. I got it in black because I wanted something just kind of simple and sleek. So right here on the box, it says that it's got a touch color display, which you already saw. It says it's swim proof. We'll see within the next year if I decide to go swimming with it. That makes me nervous, but I mean, I trust it. So, and then it says it has up to 7 days battery life, which we will be testing as well. According to the app, they want to like take a body image of me to figure out my percentages of fat. So let's figure that out right now. Okay, in this app, she's wearing a crop top and shorts. So I'm wearing a crop top and shorts. I'll feel really dumb if I didn't have to do that, but I'm just following the model. It's gonna give me some audio prompts. So I'm gonna set this up right here and hopefully it can see me.
Let's get started. Okay. Find a well-lit area and try to avoid light from behind.
Okay, there's no light behind me.
And put your hair up if it's long.
She's up.
Relax and hold this pose for the entire scan.
I don't know how I'm smiling, but I am.
Now turn right and face sideways.
Okay.
Now turn and face backwards. Turn right and face sideways again.
Okay, I just realized my feet aren't in it. Ah! Okay. Did they get it? Did I do that right? That's what I look like. Oh my gosh. Why do I look so funny? At least it didn't get my face. Okay, so I have a 20 BMI. That's probably about right. Your waist to hip ratio. That's pretty cool. So I have 27% body fat. This looks like it's low, so that's pretty good. And my FFMI is 15. I don't know what that is. Oh, my fat-free mass index. How much lean tissue you have in relation to your height and weight. This is really cool. So if you don't even know where to start, you can do that. If you're interested in controlling your appetite, they've got some food and water, and these are long programs, which I love because it's just kind of showing you long-term goals versus like quick things. Okay, I don't know where my camera shut off, but I was laughing about how my pose was on here, and then I saw the reality and I was like, yep, that's pretty much how I pose. I love that there's the app and then there is the device itself, so it's separate. Again, no activity is gonna be on here for the rest of the day because I already did my workout this morning. But tomorrow we'll be testing it out. I love that there are workouts in here. This is truly like a full-on membership. Workouts, diets, like you can actually change your lifestyle. I love to see right away that they have vegan options for their meals. I just got a notification on my phone. It says your battery is good to go on the charger thing, and I just tap it and it says 100%. So now I can actually officially put it on. I'm just gonna unclamp it here. Oh, it looks so nice on my wrist. Look at that. So you just tap for the home screen and then you can swipe on the screen going across. 104. 0 points today. That makes sense because I already worked out. 0 steps. 7 calories just existing. Settings are in here. So synced 39 minutes ago. You could do script, you could do that. You could do colors. You could also do a timer and a stopwatch. So if you're cooking or like working out, that would be convenient. I was reading how half your body weight in ounces is how much you should drink a day. So if I'm about 120 pounds, half of that is 60 ounces. This is a 40 ounce, but I fill it up to the 32 ounce line. And if I do 2 of those, I've got my daily water intake. I added lemon and cucumber to it to just kind of spice things up. This is the office for the rest of the day. We're gonna be doing some editing. And I don't imagine anything will be coming up on my halo because I'm not physically exerting myself. Okay, so good morning. I was super excited to figure out what my sleep schedule was like, and I had some interesting results. I also had like the worst sleep of my life. Like I actually felt myself in the night being like, oh my gosh, you moved. It's gonna like track it or whatever. So I forced my own self to have like a bad night's of sleep, but this thing tracked me at like 7-ish hours. It showed my like in and out of REM. It showed my light sleeping, which it seemed like I had a full night of light sleep, which felt like it. Like I literally felt myself move like at least 6 times over and back. Like it's something I like subconsciously do. I also lay on my stomach, which I know is like not good, but I have bad pillows, so I gotta figure it out. I'm about to go off to the gym, so I'm super excited, having a little apple and peanut butter because I ran out of bananas. I have a whole video of my full workout that I've been doing at the gym for the last couple months. My workout has changed a little bit because of my toes, so I no longer do the 10-minute run in the beginning of my workout. I actually just go right into my weights and jump ropes, and then I'm gonna end today with the 12-3-30, whereas sometimes I actually start with the 12-3-30 and then go into weights. So that's my update. I'm gonna head to the gym. Okay, I just got home from the gym. I'm gonna check my heart rate right now, which says it's at 106, 107, which is weird because 2 seconds ago it was at 99. I bet when I talk on camera, I get like, oh my God, it's going up. I bet when I talk on camera, I get like excited or my heart starts beating fast, because if you watch my videos like years ago when I first started, I would always talk about how I would be sweating when I would be talking on camera, and that's probably nerves. So I guess that also explains why my heart rate is at the 109 era. But I'm gonna screen record on my phone. Let's see what my workout did for me. Let's see how it looked, what are my results, etc. 7,487 steps intensity, so you get 2 points per minute or 1 point per minute, so that's why I have so many points to kick off. Then I got 74 points for the workout and the intensity and everything, and then 61 points for around 10:13, which is probably around the time that I started walking over to do that 12-3-30, walking on an incline, and then I got the 61 points from that. And the 12-3-30, I do 1.5 miles. I do know that. So the extra half mile, etc., that takes me to 2 minutes is from me getting off of that, going back and gathering all my stuff at the gym, walking out. I guess those calories of when you're not doing anything, like those resting calories, that actually is something. But obviously the highest moments are when I was doing my workout, which makes total sense. I roughly burn about 800 calories in my workout. That's good to know. Like, I have no idea. I don't really track calories, but that's great to see that. It's cool to see how many steps and everything that I'm getting in. And now I'm gonna go and get ready for the day. What a day. Okay, I just got back home. It's 8:22. I was out for like the whole day. I walked a lot while I was out. Having my Bluetooth on is not gonna drain my battery as much as I thought. I was a little worried about that, but 52% after being out all day, like that's pretty good. I'm gonna go into my health on here and see how many steps it said I took today. It says I took about 15,000 steps. Wow, that is so much more than I think. It's so interesting, but it's gonna be a little bit off because obviously when I was working out, it wasn't counting steps, but it's saying for Saturday total it was 15,000. So now let's go into Halo and see what Halo has to say. It's saying 23,000 steps. That's probably actually about right. This is all just so fascinating, and it's only like day 1. Day 2 is gonna be another wild one. I'm taking a dance class with this on, so that'll be interesting to see what kind of calories and heart rate and all that goes up to. That is my update. I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, so day 2 check-in. I took a dance class and it was really cool to see like how much I exert myself in that class. I think when I looked at my activity, so I got 73 points for the day. I have 19,000 steps. So it looks like if you're walking, you're gonna get like a point here or there, but obviously the big points come from exerting yourself. I slept so much better, but I got a bad score. I got 56 points and it's a fair sleep setting, and I don't understand why. I did go to sleep late. I was watching Night Agent, and if you haven't seen that on Netflix, like, it starts off like a Lifetime movie, like gonna be cheesy, and then it gets really, really good. I stayed up till like 1 a.m. watching that. So I don't know if I got a low score because technically my sleep was only 5 hours, 5 hours and 21 minutes. There's a disturbance here for 43 minutes from 2 to 2:42, and from my memory, I was not awake. So I find that really interesting. I'm like, what was going on there? Like, am I sleepwalking or something? Wanted to give a little app update. Today is Friday. As you can see right here, my battery is at 17%. So we did last a full week. I had an amazing night of sleep last night. All right, happy Friday. We made it 1 week. I just came back from ballet class, and do you know what I was missing? I was missing the halo because where is it? It was sitting on the charger. So I unfortunately did not get to record today's workout. I was super excited to try it out, but you know what? I had to charge her up. But let's just give an overall view of the last couple of days. This thing is awesome. I highly recommend it. It has easily become my new favorite buddy. I now have so much more awareness of the workouts I'm doing, even more awareness of my day to day. My sleep has been really fascinating. The main things that I love is that everything has an explanation behind it. I'm someone that loves information and wants to know the source of pretty much everything. So when I don't sleep, when I don't have a really good sleep night, I want to see and learn about why that was the case. I want to see how many times I like woke up, but I also want to know what it means. There's recipes, there's workouts. I love the activity log so I can keep track. Even my walks that I don't even consider working out are workouts. One thing that I specifically love about the app now that it has been a couple of days is that I can see my data over time, how much I've been active or how little, or to see within the days how much it varies. One thing that did happen to me that was unfortunate is one of the nights I didn't get to record my sleep, and it was because I was sleeping like this, because I was leaning on it so much. So if you're looking for something more affordable to track your health and wellness, I definitely recommend getting a halo. But anyway, I'll have the links and everything down below. Thank you for coming on my journey with me as we discover what I'm doing with my health and wellness. This has been dope and I can't wait to continue it, and I'm so happy to have it back on my arm. If you have any specific questions about Halo, I can try to answer them down below. And if you've got one as well, tell me what your favorite feature is. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.